Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolyMomoT, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little froggy gumball machine or vending machine or gashapon machine, whatever you call it. So first I'm taking this little glass dome that I got from Miniature Sweets, and I'm taking some light green clay and I'm going to flatten it out, and this will be the top part of my froggy dome, and I'm rolling it kind of thick. And I'm going to place it on top of the glass dome, the opposite of the opening. Next, I'm taking my polymer clay blade and I'm cutting off a semicircle out of the clay and cutting off the excess. I'm just being very careful not to scratch the glass. And using my fingers, I'm tearing away excess clay. And I'm just using my fingers to pat down the clay so it doesn't look like a sharp corner. Next, for the eyes, I'm taking a ball of the same green clay and I'm rolling it into an oval shape, and I'm cutting it in half. And the next step is to put the eyes on top of my little dome. And next I decided to add a little leaf to my little froggy, so I took some green clay and I flattened it out into a teardrop shape. And then using a tool I made a little indent in the back to make it into a heart. And I rolled out a little snake of clay for the stem and put it underneath the little leaf. And I made some indents with my polymer clay blade. And that just goes on top of the head between the two eyes. So now we just have to give it the face. I'm giving it some brown dot eyes and a brown line smile. So for the bottom part of my gumball machine, I took some darker green clay and I rolled into a fat cylinder and I cut off two ends of it. And I'm just placing it on my little dome so the little opening can make an indent so I know where it goes. And I'm flattening brown clay, and this will be like the little opening or doorway for the little gumballs to come out. So I'm flattening out some brown clay and I'm placing it on the little green cylinder that we made. And I thought, hey, why not make a lily pad as the base? So I took some light green clay and I flattened into a circle. I cut off a little triangle out and I made some lines to make it more lily pad like. Now, I only extended it partially on the lily pads, but later I just extended it fully, which I don't show you in the video. And I'm placing my little cylinder on top of that. Now for the little spinning handle, I didn't know what to do, so I decided to take some light green clay and roll into a cylinder and cut off a slice. And I thought maybe a webbed frog foot, because I don't know. So I made some little cut marks out of triangles and I pinched it so it looks more frog foot like, and I placed that over the little door brown thing that we have. Next, to make the frog heads, I'm taking a ball of green clay and I'm rolling it into an oval. And with a tiny little oval cut in half, we're making the little eyes. And we're going to blend that on to the head. And on each eye, we're giving two little dot eyes and a line smile as well. And once made, we're going to make it in different colors and make a bunch of them to fill up our little gumball machine. And here it is, all fully baked. See, I have one pink one, and that'll be the lucky prize. Once everything is fully baked, I'm putting my little frog heads into the glass dome, and I just had to make it super small because the dome opening on this one was super tiny. Next, I'm taking some super glue along the little circle part of my indent, and I'm gluing it onto my little glass dome. And once fully dried, here I have my fully finished froggy gumball machine. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a super green one, and I wish I could make it functional. Maybe the next one it will be. But what kind of gumball machine would you like to see? The next one I'm thinking about is possibly Tamagotchi themed or Pokemon themed, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you.